Hey y'all, this is Jerry here again with you, Country Folks 100. Today I'm out here just getting the old boat hooked up once again. I'm going to try to go do a little bit of brim fishing this morning. Going to try to go to Cheniere Lake. That lake's just recently been opened up, as from what I hear. I'm going to go down there and try it out. It'll be the first time I've been there in a pretty long time, but the lake seems like it's doing good now, so we'll go down there and just try it, see if we can catch any fish. Y'all stay tuned. We'll see if we can find any here in a little bit. Back here, down here at Cheniere Lake, it looks really nice out there, and I don't know if anybody would know it or not, but this is a big deal for me. This lake hasn't been able to fish it in a long time, and it's just now got to where they fixed the dam and it's holding water. So I don't know if the fishing will be good yet, but all we can go and do is go out there and try it out, see how it is. I might be able to squeeze through here. I don't know how much of this brush here is going to be in my way. What is that? God, one of those was a big old stump. Wow. There's a bream. He just about swallowed it. What in the world? First one of the day. And we'll just get back in there. Oh, there was one right there. Huh. That was a fish. Yeah, I'm gonna have to go ahead and get out of here, I guess. Hopefully my equipment's working. makes me feel a little bit better. Got something to bite. Little one. He's something though. He's a fish. Huh. All right. I'm gonna keep him since I had to work so hard for him. Alright y'all, as you can see we've already made it back to where we had started from today. Didn't do real great down there today, just couldn't find the fish, you know, like I have before down there. You know, just caught about 3 or 4 little ones, and most of those I was just had to find at the bank on that island, where that submerged island where I've went before, and caught them pretty good out there. They just wasn't in there, and it was hard to navigate around it. It was too many trees and a bunch of logs and stuff, and the boat lane going out there had logs and over it. It was hard kind of going and coming from there too. But anyway, we tried it out anyhow, and you know, got out. And if I hadn't went, we would never know. I appreciate y'all for watching. Try to subscribe to the channel if you would. We'd appreciate it. And we'll see y'all again next time. All right, bye.